Now I'm here at the Szobor Park, where Slovakia meets Hungary, meets Austria. This is the point where the three borders meet. I'm sitting in Hungary, I'm now in Austria, I'm now in Slovakia. I'm surrounded by maize, and I'm thinking, that maize speaks Slovakian, that maize speaks Austrian, that maize speaks Hungarian. Well, obviously, maize doesn't speak a language, maybe a plant language we don't understand. The point there is, maize knows no borders. And watching the kestrels fly across the borders, which they probably did when the Iron Curtain was here, birds know no borders. Just missed crested larks singing. Hopefully they might come back, because the crested larks are fly across the border too, as are the corn buntings and the pied wagtail. Great Bustards. Tuzok, as they say in Hungarian. I don't know, that's a Slovakian name. Fly backwards and forwards across the Little Hungarian Plain. Bustards. No borders. You can find them in Spain, you can find them in Portugal, you can find them up in Germany too. You can find them in Ukraine and Russia, and I'm sure they're not having a very nice time at the moment. Birds know no borders. In fact, it's only nationalists who know borders, and you can walk now freely. But probably in 1989 or prior to 1989, there were probably fences and guns and sentries and tanks. Borders, waste of time really.